everybody, I'm Susan from LVM More. Welcome into my channel. If you're new, welcome in. Please like and subscribe. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate it. Today is Friday, TGIF. I hope everybody's going to have a great weekend. It's raining here in Canada. And I have a very short but sweet unboxing, so let's go ahead and get started. Came in a bubble wrap like this. I got my blade. All right, let's see what I got here. And I'll be having a couple more things hopefully next week. Then me and my husband Ted are going to be moving my mother from Oregon to Washington. So we'll put a few clips in there for next week. So let's go ahead and see what I got. All right, let's see here. Well, they packed it good, so that's great. All right, I got my Yoshi Crafted World for my Switch. So I'm looking forward to playing this. This was a pre-order and it was just released a couple of days ago. So they shipped it out and I thought that I would unbox it. Alright, do you guys like to play video games? What kind of games do you guys like to play? Leave the comments below, and until next time, thanks for watching LVM More. Have a great Friday. Bye, guys.